Hi. Hmm. Hi, People's Crisps here, and I'm just making this to show you how I made the wall jump thing, but I spent way too long on it. And this is pretty much it in action. You jump up a wall and you slide down it. And what's happening here is that you have twice your actual speed from what I think I've written down, and you gain artificial gravity to make you go down slower. And now, if I were to, oh, hold on, just need to show you what's happening here in a bit more detail. So, as you can see, the player can jump as normal, and gravity is as normal. Whereas if a player is on a wall, they just slide down. And now, the sliding down thing is what made this whole thing so hard. Because of Invoke and stuff like that or whatever. So, I tried this where you just put Invoke at Woolman start method, but that just didn't work. And I just agonized over it unnecessarily. What else must I say? Hmm. And then I tried to make so then I tried to have it so that the artificial gravity kicks in after you've obviously jumped. But when I did it originally, I didn't have this player velocity thing, and I accidentally made it so that you could climb up walls. So as you can see here, it does not work. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Uh, I, yeah, that should do it. Now to show you what actually happened the first time I tried this, we best at this kind of angle, and no, oh yeah, you can fly. Like seriously, I just found it funny when it happened to me, and there's no other way around it. Like you only fly. Another thing that I've noticed, you see this mirror here? It's not even properly done because if I move to the left, the mirror moves to the right. If I move to the right, the mirror moves to the left. And I think I can climb up mirrors. Yeah. So yeah, that's all running for you. It's fun. It is not. And I've got this here to deal with, wherever it is. Well, you can just side hop from wall to wall, and it's causing bugs in the program or whatever. It's horrendous. May as well delete this now. So yeah, that's fun.